Fishermen dive to the bottom of the sea to collect the hook they put down yesterday. As soon as I came down, I found a fish hook on the fishing line. Upon closer inspection, it turned out to be a stone fishing. Visually, there are 3 orders. That made him very happy. Hurry up and drag the fish up. Dragged out of the water in less than 5 seconds. The son on the boat immediately took the fishing line. Lift the fish into the bucket. To keep the fish alive. Father took another bite of some fresh seawater into the bucket. Low-key ushered in a good product. This makes them confident. Hurry up and collect the second hook. And there was a fish on the hook. This is a series of arrows. It also weighs 1.5 kilograms. But this fish is not as valuable as the stone carving just now, but neither father nor son would dislike it. After all, getting the market is money. And the third hook didn't disappoint. Also won a fish. This is a stick of red oil. He found danger and struggled to escape, but it's futile for him to resist. It was directly dragged out. Unlike this fish, the number of fish in the bucket reached 3. I never expected that the good show was still to come. When his father dived down again, I found a large stone spot hiding in the crack. He dragged the fish out directly. Made a fortune. The price of wild grouper can be as high as 200 caddies. This grouper weighs at least 3 or 4 caddies. You can get it after a few hundred hits. And what they didn't expect was the last ditch. I also won a rock rod from a big fund. Get on board with this plaque. They also ended today's sea fishing perfectly. A total of 5 fish were harvested today, and these 5 fish didn't disappoint. Exchanged back 7,898 Philippine bottom office, equivalent to nearly 1,000 yuan.